My name is Lizzy Lozzo. They asked me what's my name. My name is Lizzy Lozzo. We're chilling here at Spurs.
Yeah. Happiness must supply.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Are we having fun?
Everybody's feeling good.
Everybody feeling what? Good. Everybody feeling good. Get it. So the whole street is on shutdown because somebody from Parliament, or most probably the president, is going to pass soon. So yeah, there's no cars going by. We're all waiting. You have to stand still. You can't move until the president, or I don't know, maybe vice president or the first lady goes past. Hello, what's your name? What's your name?
Jeza.
Jeza. So Jeza, why are you here? Why are you waiting? Who is this, Jeza? Who is this? So much people. Are you sure it's the president? Okay, but what car is he in? Okay, so tell us what happens when the president is about to pass.
We have a lot of traffic at Slow Road. Everybody freeze and stay.
Everyone is moving now. Look at it. Crazy. So guys, I'm buying suya. Look. Yeah, give me. One. Not clear, but yeah. Hopefully it tastes nice. I haven't had this in such a long time, but let's compare what it's like. The Sierra Leone one to the London one. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do a live reaction, probably. That's where I'm buying food from. I've tried one already. It's really tasty. So I'm still waiting. It's going to be 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, it's a bit blurry because of the smoke. Let me go a bit a little further. Yeah. What, you did smile for the video? Yeah? The taste. Okay. You're gonna be on YouTube. Yeah? Okay, you want to say something? Huh? I cannot hear you. Just hi? Okay, say something. Tell them what you're doing. Tell them. You can talk on Creole.
I can say it in Creole, I can say it in English.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let me say it in Creole.
Yeah.
Yasso, Kisel, Kankan, beef and suya.
Okay, yeah, they're going past now. That's the police van. We're waiting for the president to go past.
This is yours.
Okay, that's mine.
Yeah.
Oh, is it ready?
It's ready.
It's ready.
Yeah.
So mine is ready. That's beef kankan, suya kankan. Yeah. Is it goat or cow meat?
That is goat meat.
Okay, so goat meat. I'm having goat meat, and that's 20,000 leon. So he's chopping it now, and he's going to put pepper. Is this pepper? What's this one?
Call it suya.
Suya.
Very nice.
Yeah, I know suya.
Okay, that's good.
Suya.
I think you used to eat before. Suya.
Yeah.
Very nice.
From Nigeria.
Yeah.
And they put tomatoes as well. Look at how fresh these tomatoes are.
So you lived in Nigeria before?
I've been to Nigeria.
Oh, no, that's
yeah,
good.
pepper, yeah.
That's good.
But they have lots of Nigerians in London.
Yeah. Oh.
So they have suya in London.
Nigeria.
Yeah. All nice and done, wrapped in newspaper.
Yes, up in newspaper. Okay, make video call, right?
I'm doing video for YouTube, so you can say,
Oh, yeah.
this is the guy serving me.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, what do you...
I'm a chef.
Okay.
Chef, international chef.
Yeah? So you made this? You made all of these?
Yeah, every day we make this. Every day we make goat.
So all
goat
of you
meat,
guys make
suya,
this one?
Kankan,
Yeah.
country fall, English chicken. We have everything.
Guinea fowl.
Okay.
We have everything. We
So-
doing this before. We're doing this now more than About 20 years ago.
Okay,
Yes.
so why did you start doing this business?
Doing this from 2007 to 8 to this time.
Okay.
But the boss in landed the job. She passed away in Nigeria. Hausa.
Ah,
Hausa.
okay.
Yeah. So this is the boss.
Okay, wow.
Passed away.
So this is the boss?
Yeah.
The boss
away
taught you how
last
to
year.
do the suya?
He passed away last year.
Okay. And you've taken over?
Yeah, we are taking over.
Okay, and you're doing well? You're making money?
Yes, we're doing it.
Can you employ me? Can I work here?
Oh yes, if you like.
I can work?
Yeah, you can work here. Because
I don't have plenty money. I wish I did. Yeah, okay.
So if you join the pigeon style, it will be nice for you.
Okay.
Nice.
You see, look at me. I've been offered a job. Yeah, so I just need to tell them when I'm going to start.
Okay.
But make sure you come here, guys. Make sure. What's the name of the place? No, what's the name of the shop? The shop.
The shop.
Yeah, this.
Hassan Suya Kankan.
Okay. Hassan Suya Kankan.
Yes.
Spur Road.
Spur Road.
Yeah. Guys, make sure you come. Show them some love, support.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Know this meat in Sierra Leone. In Freetown City.
Whilst buying suya, some of the guys were really friendly. They wanted to have a conversation. So I asked them and I decided to have a conversation with them on camera. What do you do? Yeah. Jebu, what's Jebu sell? Ah, okay. Right. Jebu, what do you do?
I'm bike mechanic and
Senior rider.
and
Lovely.
Yeah, from 2011.
Wow.
Not 2 years, 3 years. Not a proud town.
Wow.
Not a motor town.
So where is your shop?
Meet for them what? You understand?
Okay.
Side.
Okay.
Chef.
Chef.
Yeah, chef.
Chef.
Good chef.
Okay, makes food.
Yeah.
Hello, you make food? Are you a chef? What kind of chef are you? Yeah. What kind of food do you make?
You prepare all types of meal, all types of food, all types of breakfast.
I've always seen this around, but I don't know what this is. What is this? I want to know. Can you tell me? Mercury. What's Mercury? Betting company. Okay. So why do you do Mercury? Why have you decided to do this? Okay. Are you making money?
I don't have to come and sit here for just for nothing.
That makes sense. That was a silly question, but yeah, you answered it very well. And I think you're very smart. Yeah, future millionaire, president of Sierra Leone. Yeah?
Future